Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friend, my name is Adrian Ahmad. I'm from 9.4 and my attendance number is 3. In here I want to doing speaking about social subject. In here I want to telling a material which name the background of Indonesian national movement. Also in the background of national Indonesian movement there is the factor that influence nationalism in the Indonesian. There is the internal factor. There is three internal factors that is influence nationalism in the Indonesian. First is suffering by the help people. Then the two, the emergence of ethnical politic, and the third is the emergence of the educated people. In the one is since the VOC is a monopoly economic system accompanied by failed methods, then continually during the forced cultivation system, there was a lot of sovereignty and poverty felt by the Indonesian people. This suffering later become the main cause of the emergence of national movement and the emergence of national parties or organization. The emergence of this movement cannot be spared from the role of the educated people who were already quite numerous of that time. The second, there is the emergence of the ethnical politics. Also, there is three main areas in the ethnical politics, that is irrigation, education, and immigration. Also, at the end of the 19th years century, toward the beginning of the 20th year century, the direction of Dutch politics in Indonesia began to change, and at the time, a figure named Van Deventer emerged who initiated the issuance of the ethnical policy. He conveyed this idea on the basis that Indonesia had provided many benefits to the Netherlands. He considered it reasonable for the Netherlands to give back for this his behavior. Also, it's seem like I'm saying before, there is the three main ideas in the ethnical politics. There is irrigation, education, and immigration. Then also next to the third factor, or in the third internal factor, is the emergence of the educated people. Also the implementation of ethnical politics, irrigation, education, immigration basically did not immediately provide great benefit for Indonesian. However, one impact that was felt well was the emergence of educated people from Indonesian people. Improvement in education in the colonies gave birth to thinkers and movers toward independence. The student movement was no longer regional, but began to unite it is stronger and voiced in a youth congress known as the Youth Pledge. Also, this is my explanation about the internal factor, and I'm only giving the material with a little, maybe from my say maybe there is a false. I'm sorry if it is there, and so thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.